Welcome to AwesomeKid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to slice a list in Python. To slice a list, we need to specify the index of the first and last elements we want to work with. Python stops one item before the second index you specify. So to output the first three elements in our list, we would request index 0 to 3, which would return the elements 0, 1, and 2. So let's see. And we are going to pass in our list of programming languages names, and we start from 0 with ending 3. Let's see the output. And our code prints a slice of the list. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.